Namaste everyone, myself Ram Karthik. I'm a first year student studying in Sri Vasista Mercury block. I scored 468 out of 470 this first year examination, and none of this would have been possible without the unparalleled guidance from my counselors, my mentors, and my faculty. They have guided me every step of the way, and also our motto, practice makes a man perfect, has also worked out immensely well. The periodic tests which happen have helped me assess my understanding of the concepts very well, and it had helped me to increase my performance and accuracy even more. I feel it's a great honor to be a part of this institution, and I feel very happy to have scored this many marks in my examination.
నాకు 994 అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 1000 వచ్చాయి ఇన్ ద సెకండ్ ఇయర్ బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్. నా మా డీన్ మ్యామ్, ప్రిన్సిపల్ మ్యామ్ అండ్ చైర్మన్ మ్యామ్ అందరి సపోర్ట్తోనే నేను ఇది చేయగలిగాను. అండ్ ప్రతి స్టెప్లో నాకు ప్రాపర్ సపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చి, గైడెన్స్ ఇచ్చి, మెంటర్షిప్ చేసినందుకు మా టీచర్స్ అందరికీ కూడా ఐ ఆమ్ వెరీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్. ఐ ఆమ్ ప్రౌడ్ టు సే దట్ ఐ ఆమ్ అ స్టూడెంట్ ఆఫ్ శ్రీ వశిష్ఠ జూనియర్ కాలేజ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hi, I'm Benchita from Sri Vasista Junior College, Mercury Block, MPC. I scored 468 out of 470 in my intermediate first year board examination. I thank my parents and the teachers who supported me during this journey. And all the regular unit tests and the pre-finals really helped me to revise all the concepts and manage my time. At last, a special thanks to the support given by my college staff, which played a major role in this achievement. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Ashraf Khan, studying in first year MPC group of Sri Vasista Junior Colleges. I am truly honored and grateful for achieving 460 marks out of 470. I would like to thank my lecturers, teachers for their constant support and guidance to all my topics and explaining in an easy way. I would like to thank my parents for motivating me and encouraging me in all the possible ways. Finally, I would thank my chairman ma'am for giving me all the opportunities. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, this is Madhurikita from Sri Vasista College, Miyapur branch. I'm feeling very proud to get these such good marks by our support from our dean and our lecturers and teachers. Thank you for all. I'm grateful to have this supporting parents and teachers. Thank you.
Hi, this is Tanmayi, studying in Sri Vasista Junior College, Mercury Block. I secured 466 out of 470, which is a great, very proud moment for me, and I'm grateful for all the people who supported me throughout this journey. Thank you to all the people, my teachers, my dean ma'am, my principal ma'am, and my parents for this, and thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Ananya Roshni, studying in first year Junior College of Vasishta. This is a proud moment for me for achieving 437 out of 440 in BIPC in IP exam of 2026. So I would like to thank my dean ma'am, all my faculties and this institute. They have supported me in all the ways, clearing my doubts and throughout my journey helping me. And I would like to thank and share my gratitude towards my parents too, and all my supportive friends and everyone. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Nikhil Kumar, studying in Sri Vasista Junior College of Drona Block. I feel immensely gratitude to Sri Vasista Junior College for helping me to achieve such good marks. I would like to thank my parents and teachers for helping me and motivating me through every part of this journey. Thank you.
I am Chokshashree from Drona Block of Sri Vasista Junior College. It has been an immense proud moment and an amazing experience for me to be able to achieve 437 out of 440 in BIPC inter first year. This moment is of immense pride for me, and I'm extremely grateful for my college faculty, our dean ma'am, principal ma'am, for constantly supporting me. And I'd say the tests were of great help as it would help me assess my progress. Thank you, Vasista, for all your support.
Hi all, I am myself Chinmay from Drona Block of MPC Group. This is very proud moment to say that I have scored 466 out of 470. This is all because of my faculty and my chairman ma'am and my dean ma'am. I'm so grateful to them. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Ekta Tiwari from Sri Vasishta Chandanagar Radium Block. I've scored 465 out of 470 in MPC IP board exams. I'm very thankful to Dean Sir and Vice Principal Ma'am and the Principal of our block. And I'm so proud that I have given this moment to Vasishta and my parents. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all. This is Manasvi from Sri Vasishta Junior College of Drona Block. I have scored 466 out of 470 in my intermediate IPA board exams. This was all possible because of my college and the faculty and my parents who had supported me and encouraged me. This was all possible because of them. Thank you.
So, hi everyone, I am Joshita from Arjuna Block, Tellapur. So, I scored 466 out of 470 in my IP exams. This was possible only because of my support of our principal, dean, sir, and all the staff of our college. So, I thank everyone for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. Everyone encouraged us, not only me, everyone encouraged all of the every students in our college to gain this. So, I thank Vasishta for giving me such a wonderful opportunity.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Hita Vimlapalli, studying at the Arjuna branch of Sri Vasishta Tellapur. I've scored 466 out of 470 in the IP examinations. This was mainly due to because of the supportiveness of all the teaching and non-teaching staff of our college. Especially thank all of our faculty, Shiva Prasad sir, Sridevi ma'am, and also Ram Prasad sir and Purushottam sir for guiding me all the way through here. Today I'm really thankful for all of my success, and I think this success would continue. Thank you.
Greetings everyone, I am Tejas, studying in the Arjuna block of Sri Vasishta group of colleges. Today I am very delighted to share that I have scored 467 out of 470 in my IPE exams. It is the culminated result of my education. I really thank my principal sir, dean sir, vice principal sir, all the SLs, JLs, and also our chairman ma'am for this opportunity. It wouldn't be possible without them. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Tahura Sadia from Sri Vasishta Junior College of Chanakya Block. I am very proud for today because I scored 436 out of 440 in my IPE boards. I am very thankful to my all faculty of Sri Vasishta. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Nisija from SR Nagar Chanakya Block of Sri Vasishta, and I scored 435 out of 440, and I'm really proud of our SLs, our JLs, and our chairman of Sri Vasishta groups, and I feel very honored and very grateful. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am P. Jaideep from Sri Vasishta Chanakya Block, and today I am delighted to share that I scored 467 out of 470 in the intermediate education exams. I am deeply grateful to all my teachers, JL, Principal Ma'am and Dean Ma'am for this opportunity that wouldn't be possible without their help. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Devavashni from Sri Vasishta Arjuna Block. I have scored 468 out of 470. I'm very thankful for my principal, vice principals, JLs, SLs. Thank you so much.
I am A. Sri Harini and I am studying in Sri Vasishta KBHP Drona Block. I am very glad to share that I have scored 460 out of 470 in the intermediate public examinations. I would like to express my gratitude towards my teachers, mainly the senior lecturers as well as the junior lecturers who have helped us and guided us in, they have pushed us forward to practice really hard. I would especially like to thank our senior lecturers, Surendra sir, Rupa ma'am, and even Murali sir for guiding us thoroughly. Thank you once again.
Myself, Alam Sri Hasini. I study in the Drona block of Sri Vasishta Junior College, and I have scored 466 out of 470 in my first year exams. And this is all possible because of the support from our college and my faculty who have very closely helped us understand and write the exams very well. So I'm just very grateful for them. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Suarchana. I'm from Chanakya Block of Vasishta College. I've scored 467 out of 470. I'm very proud that this is just because of my lecturers and principal, all the staff members. So thank you so much, Vasishta. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Archana Reddy. I am studying IP from Chanakya block, SR Nagar. I thank all my parents as I scored 467 out of 470, especially for SLs, JLs. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Shankar, from Srivashta Junior College of Chanakya Block. I'm glad to happy to say that I got 467 in out of 470. Because of the support of the teachers, I got this rank. And I thank to the faculties and our college management. And I'm lucky to be the part of Srivashta Junior College. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Naira. I am from BIPC, Sri Vasista Radium Block. First of all, I would like to thank Chairman Ma'am, and I would love to thank my parents as they have supported me through all ups and downs. I would also like to thank my VP Ma'am, Dean Sir, Principal Sir, and all my SLs and JLs. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Vaidikshta from Sri Vasista Educational Institutions, Mercury Block. I got 467 out of 470. I'm so grateful to my SLs and JLs who have helped me to study, and also I'm grateful to my parents. They have supported me. Thank you.
First of all, good afternoon everyone. I am Bhavani from Mercury block of Sri Vasista. I have scored 466 out of 470. I will be very grateful for our lectures, JLs and our college all staff, and I will be very happy for achieving this. Thank you.
Hi all, myself Likita, studying in Sri Vasista Junior College of Drona Block. I secured 466 out of 470. All the credits goes to my faculty. They guided me in each and every step. Thank you to all my faculty, my Dean Ma'am, my Principal Ma'am, and all. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Rajita. I am studying in Sri Vasista College of Drona Block. I am very proud of myself. I got 466 of 470 marks in IPE board exams. All my faculty, teachers, Dean Madam and parents supported me a lot and motivated me. Thank you.
My name is Medha. I am studying in Drona Block, Sri Vasista College. I feel very happy about my marks and I am very grateful to our college. I would say that it is a very great college, and I would express my thanks to Rupa ma'am, Srikanth sir, and all the lecturers who have guided me through this experience, and thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Sai Charan, studying in Senior Inter BIPC in Sri Vasista Educational Institutions. Vasista helped me a lot to score a marvelous score in Senior Inter Public Examinations 2026. Their guidance and tips helped me a lot to score this marvelous score in Senior IP. I always thank Vasista for providing me all this. Thank you.